Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a sophomore from the University of Cincinnati, and I'm part of the media team at Camp Ozark. Studying marketing back at home, I was really hoping to find an internship opportunity where I can get hands-on experience in a really cool environment. Ozark has been all of that and more. Our media team consists of photographers, videographers, AV, and social media managers. As a videographer, I get the opportunity to film so many different exciting activities and things going on around camp. We're responsible for turning around daily videos, session videos, and other video-related projects for kids, parents, and staff alike. Our photographers capture moments daily to share with parents too. With top-of-the-line equipment, I've gained a ton of experience using gear that I've never had the chance to operate before. Every day I get to hone my skills and get reps shooting and editing. The best part about it all is getting to interact with the kids. They love being on camera, and it's fun to build relationships and bring a smile to their faces when they see themselves on the big screen. Our team is really tight-knit. I love the quality time we get to spend together in and out of the media room. I've made some of my best friends here, and I couldn't do without them. I love being a part of this team and getting the chance to create amazing content for the world to see. I've built an awesome portfolio that I'm excited to take back home with me. With the guidance of some amazing supervisors, I've grown in my craft and become a stronger creative, professional, and believer. I wouldn't trade this summer for anything.